Hey guys, welcome back to Vlogmas Day 9. I hope that you've been enjoying them. I have enjoyed reading your comments. I'm trying really hard to be like proactive and responding back, but I had one video get a ton of comments, which I appreciate. It's just hard for me to like get them all, get back to you all. So if I haven't got back to you on some, I will just in due time. Anyway, I am so glad that I've had extra videos to fill in this week because this week has been crazy. Daisy's in the background eating her lunch. Of course she is. Anyway, and so I haven't filmed a video, like except for one, the mantle video, which I think was yesterday. Was it yesterday or the day before? I don't remember. It doesn't matter. All I know is I'm glad I've had those videos for you guys. And today I just went to the grocery store and picked up some things for dinner, and I'm gonna make some dinner and I wanna take you along with me on that and help just like spend the afternoon with me because this evening we have to go to a basketball game. Which we've been going to every single night this week. Either my daughter's cheering at one or my son's playing in one. It's crazy. They go to different schools, so nothing ever like is at the same time at the same place. Funny, all three of my kids are in a different school this year, so it's an interesting year, but we're making do. So anyway, I hope you guys are having a wonderful week. It is bitter cold here. It went from 50 yesterday to 20 degrees today. It's so cold. That's probably exaggerating a little. I think it's like 30 degrees, but it is like bone chilling cold. I wish it would snow, but no snow yet. Anyway, so let's have a good afternoon together. All right, so I'm making a loaded baked potato soup. And this recipe comes from macrofriendlyrecipes.com or something. I'll leave it in the description box. It is a subscription service, and I don't subscribe to subscriptions like this ever, but I have been subscribed to this one for a year, and I truly believe that it's worth it. It's $10 a month, and you get several new recipes a month. And they're all macro friendly. I don't count macros per se, but I am really trying to focus on my protein. And so I appreciate that most of her meals have higher protein in them. But I'm not gonna share the exact recipe, but like I said, I'll link her website in the description. Also follow her on Instagram because she shares recipes there. This is just one I've paid for, and I want to be respectful of her. So the recipe calls for potatoes, milk, plain Greek yogurt, which she uses a lot of Greek yogurt in her recipes. I'm sure for the extra protein, and then that's probably like instead of heavy cream, she's using that. Chicken broth, bacon, cheese, chives, and a chopped half onion. Something funny about me is I love bacon, but I don't like to cook it because I don't like my house to smell like it. And so when a recipe calls for it, I don't ever know what to buy. So I hope that this will be good enough. I don't know. If we ever buy bacon, we buy it from the butcher block place in like Albertsons or something. So anyway, then you just I'm gonna use my new Dutch oven, and we're gonna make it. It's super easy, and that's another thing about her recipes is they're so easy to follow and all like normal people ingredients. So like I said, I'll link it in the description box. right, if you don't have one of these choppers, you are missing out, because this makes cutting, I use it for everything. I just love it. It's like the best I think it's like $30 or less on Amazon. I'll link it below. But look, onion in no time. So I cut up my potatoes and my onions. And now I'm gonna cook my bacon. Now that I got my bacon cooked, I'm going to cook the onion. And just until it's soft. And then once this is down, then I'm going to add the chicken broth. Okay, so I'm gonna add 4 cups of chicken broth. I'm actually just gonna add the rest of that. It's like, that's good. And then you add in your potatoes and you bring it to a boil, and then you simmer it for 20 minutes. And then while that's simmering, I'm going to clean up my kitchen. If you're curious what candles I'm burning, my favorite Bath & Body Works candle for Christmas is Vanilla Balsam. It smells like a Christmas tree, but it's sweet. Then let's see, what does it say? Balsam Fir Frosted Vanilla Snow-Capped Pine Needle with essential oils. It's definitely vanilla and it's definitely pine. I don't know. There's something about it that I just absolutely love. And I don't think they have that one this one this year. I can't remember. I don't remember seeing it, but I do think they had something very similar, just with a different name. Another one I like is Peppermint Marshmallow. I love Frosted Cranberry, and I love Twisted Peppermint. So those are my faves. But I just realized I haven't burned the Vanilla Balsam at all this year, and I need to because it's one of my all-time favorites. Anyway, this is smelling pretty good. I hope that I can clean my brand new pan. I cooked the bacon in the pan. I probably shouldn't have done that, but anyway, we're gonna let this boil. Okay, so I got my bacon cooked here, and I'll just let that sit there. But while I was waiting, I thought I would talk to you guys about my butcher block countertops and let you know what my thoughts are. I've had them, let's see, July, August, September, October, November, 5 months now, and they literally look brand new. So I was worried about them staining and stuff, but they're great. There's one spot over on this other side I can show you where, so my husband had, I don't even remember what it was, but it was like something that had grease on it, and it did leave a spot, but you really can't tell because it's actually like in the grain of the butcher block, and it looks like it's supposed to be there. So that's the only thing. I've always cut on a cutting board though. I don't use it as like an actual cutting surface because I don't want there to be little things that you know, places where bacteria can grow. So I'm giving it a thumbs up 5 months in. I really like them, and we use them. Like, we use the heck out of them. Obviously, this is our only kitchen, and so I definitely do it again. I mean, do I wish I had quartz all over? Yeah, probably, but $400 versus $8,000, I'm really happy. Some of you ask when I do cleaning video, like cleaning in my videos, what I use. I use just Young Living's Thieves. I'm not really into like a hardcore Young Living girl, but I do love this a lot, and we go through a lot of it. But then I really love this too, Mrs. Meyer's stuff. The peppermint one is my favorite. It's just, that's really like the only one I like to buy. I do like the pumpkin one in the fall, but all I could find was the dish soap, which is sad because I do like the spray and the hand soap. So if you see this at your Target, pick it up because it makes doing dishes and stuff more lovely during Christmas. Also, I have a question for you. If you have a vacuum that you love, would you leave it in the description box below, other than a Dyson? Because I own a Dyson and I despise it. I hate it. Well, it doesn't even work now. It'll just like turn on and turn off, turn on and turn off. I have gone through every YouTube video to like troubleshoot it. I've done everything they've told me to do. It works for a minute and then it stops working. But I need something to do my rugs and my hardwood floors like daily, you know? I also have a Riccar vacuum, which is like an upright vacuum that we've had for years. And it's an amazing vacuum, but it's just so heavy to like get in and out all the time or up and down the stairs. So if you have a vacuum you love, please let me know in the description box or in the comments, because I'm gonna have to ask for one of them for Christmas. What a fun Christmas gift, right? But I need one, so any recommendations would be good. I have heard really great things about the Shark. It's just which one? Which Shark do I get? They have so many, you know? So let me know. Once all of the potatoes are cooked, you're gonna just use a masher. I don't really have a masher, I just have this meat tenderizer thing. So I'm just gonna use that. And then Greek yogurt and milk and salt. And then you just let that cook for a second, and then top it with cheese and the bacon that we cooked earlier and some chives, and you're good to go. So I'll let you know how it tastes when it's all done. Okay, here's what the soup looks like. It doesn't look like that pretty. Let's try it. Okay. Tastes just like what it is, loaded baked potato. Not bad. Is it my favorite? No. But it's really good. I would say it's an 8 out of 10. You could probably thicken it up a little bit, but still win in my book. All right, that's all I got for you in this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for another vlog. Bye.